So in this lesson, we're going to use the Thai reading practice site to provide an example of a Thai sentence. And we're going to listen to that sentence, and then we're going to say that sentence into Google Translate. And Google Translate provides a transcription service. And if we pronounce the Thai correctly, the transcription will match what we have read on the Thai reading practice site. So let's try it out. Here I am at the Thai reading practice site. Let's go to lesson 1. And at the bottom of each lesson has some practice sentences. So let's just try the first practice sentence.
กาดูปู
Okay. And now I'm going to go into Google Translate. And I'm going to input Thai language. And I'm going to speak that same sentence I just heard. Click this microphone. กาดูปู All right. So it looks like what Google has transcribed is the same as what I heard here. So I know that my pronunciation is correct. Don't worry about this English translation over here. The meaning of this Thai sentence is the crow watches the crab, but the English translation is a little bit off. So try it out for yourself and play around with different Thai sentences. Use some of the sentences I provide on the Thai reading practice website, or use your own Thai sentences. You can use sentences from anywhere you find. And if the transcription from Google matches what you're reading, then you know you're pronouncing it correctly.